Hello everyone! Every piece of information I'm about to tell you in this video has been verified by the mechanics working in the shop where I am right now. So don't worry, we're going to get this problem solved. Look, the first thing you need to know is that this happens because modern cars use electric power steering, and when something stresses that system, it immediately goes into defensive mode. And of course, you see the message and think the entire steering system is done for, but in most cases, it's something super simple. And that's exactly why, before you start imagining you'll have to sell a kidney to buy a new steering rack, the first thing to check is what almost always causes these scares: the battery and the connections. It sounds crazy, but when the voltage drops even a little, the electric steering starts acting weird. There are plenty of cases where someone went from having a steering wheel hard as a rock to everything going back to normal just by cleaning the battery terminals. I swear, a rag and tightening a couple of bolts and that's it. And it makes sense because if the battery is weak, guess what else starts acting up? The alternator, the grounds, the fuses, and all of that affects the famous electrical system that powers the steering. So if the battery isn't giving the correct voltage, the car will start throwing warnings, shutting off assist systems, and acting like it's possessed. That's why after checking the terminals, it's a good idea to measure the voltage and make sure it's within its normal range. Now, if the battery is 100% healthy and everything is tight, the next suspect is the communication between modules, what they call the CAN system. Think of it like a giant WhatsApp group chat between all the computers in your car. If any wire is dirty, humid, or loose, the conversation breaks, and the steering system says, "If no one's talking to me, I'm not working." In many cases, simply cleaning a corroded connector or tightening a chassis ground fixes the error for good. And if all the basic stuff is perfect, then we move one level up: software updates and TSBs. Yes, just like your phone needs updates, your car does too. In this shop, we've had multiple cases where updating the steering module or the BCM made the message disappear instantly. Nothing broken, nothing damaged, just old software causing trouble. But if you've already checked the battery, alternator, connectors, grounds, and updates, and the message is still there like a toxic ex who won't stop texting, then it's time to suspect the EPS or the complete steering rack. This is the most delicate part, because when these actually fail, the steering wheel suddenly gets stiff or makes weird noises when turning. In those cases, the smartest thing is to take it to a shop that specializes in electric steering, because these modules can't be fixed with a hammer. Listen to this. The most common causes are a weak battery, loose ground, dirty cables, or a simple reset. But if your car starts losing steering assist while you're driving, or the wheel feels heavy from time to time, then it's better to get it checked quickly before a small scare turns into a real problem. As you can see, everything connects. The car sends the message, the system checks voltage. If something fails, it cuts the assist. You see the warning. You check the battery and cables. If that's good, you move on to software. And if that still isn't it, then you look at the mechanical parts. It's a logical path, just like when your Wi-Fi is slow, first the modem, then the cables, and then the company. So relax. It's not a tragedy, it's not the end of the world, and most of the time it's something small that gets fixed quickly.